Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Alton and we're looking at their beautiful kitchen and their one bedroom model. So this is the Alton in Dallas, Texas, their one bedroom kitchen. It's very gorgeous. First of all, I love all the light, very light wood that's here. I like the white shelving, open shelving. And then this massive island is such a good idea. It's so cool. It's what I like about it is it's not too wide, so it's easy to walk around these. But then you can imagine having a lot of people in here and just kind of being around the island, and then having even more space out over here. This is so well done. I also love in the kitchen just these really light cabinets that are here too. They're not exactly the same color as before, but very similar, and very pretty cabinets. A lot of cabinets, and beautifully done. There's also a lot of storage on this side. There's plenty of drawers, cabinets, openings, and then you've got some beautiful appliances. So cooking with gas, yeah, we need that, and we got it here at the Alton. We also have a nice wine fridge over here. So this is some very luxurious amenities that are included in this finish out. This is very nice. That's a nice two drawer or two door fridge there as well. Hey, I even like things like the backsplash. The backsplash is great. It's real simple, but I wouldn't think to do that. I don't think I've ever seen that design. That's really cute. So adorable kitchen, check. Adorable living room, check. Now let's go outside and look at this balcony, and let's get an overview of the area, but let's also look at the balcony space. We're going to do that right now. If you have any questions about the Alton, anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just say, hi, I'm considering the Alton, or hi, I'm moving to Dallas, and just introduce yourself. Let's chat. I can't wait to help you answer your questions and find out more about the Alton. Okay, so let's go ahead and go outside, and let's do that right now.